Okay, now today the agenda is very simple. We only have an hour. I wanted to give some time to a quick introduction. We want to talk about what is design management, okay? And I want to have a little bit of time to talk about the Innovation and Design Management Program. And then at the end, we will have a Q&A session, and my colleague, Eileen Feng, will join me to answer your questions, okay? So let me just quickly introduce myself. My name is Chris Yin, and I am a lecturer at PolyU Speed, and I teach both design and business. Now, I have worked as a designer, brand consultant, and design manager before joining PolyU Speed. And currently, I'm the award leader for Bachelor of Honors in Business in Innovation and Design Management. I'll talk more about the program later on. So, what is design management? And what is design management is our topic today. But before we actually talk about what is design management, I wanted to ask you, what does the word design mean to you? What does that mean to you? Okay. Now, again, the reason why I wanted to use chat is that so that you can answer some of these questions very quickly. Now, I'll give you a few minutes. Can you type in chat and tell me what you think design means to you? What is design? Okay. Let's see if we have some answers in chat. Okay, I have solving problems. Very good, Ricky. Okay, anyone else? Something new and creative from Gordon. That's also very good. Looks like I don't need to do this presentation anymore. Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on, right? So let's so have you ever held a toothbrush, driven a car, or used a smartphone? Now, if you have, you've actually come into contact with the power of design, okay? So to give you a quick definition of design, design is a human-centered problem-solving process, which leads to the creation of great products and services through a deeper understanding of people and their needs. Now, this is Paul Rand, a famous graphic designer. He is the designer of the ABC, IBM, and Westinghouse logos. Now, he said, to design is much more than simply to assemble, to order, or even to edit. It is to add value and meaning, to illuminate, to simplify, to clarify, to modify, to dignify, to dramatize, to persuade, and perhaps even to amuse. Now, I looked up design in the dictionary, and it says design is to create, fashion, execute, or construct according to plan. But I think that design is to plan the creation of a new product, service, or system to solve a specific problem with the intention of improving the human experience. Design is not just for designers, and we can learn to think like designers to solve business problems. To give you a simple definition, design is simply a practical approach to problem solving. So Ricky is right. Now, the process of design is useful not only for building great products, services, or solutions, but also for pursuing a more creative and open-minded approach to life. And the designer's behaviors, such as working with others, collaborating, empathy toward others, prototyping new ideas, and continuous improvement, these are used in something we call design thinking. And this helps enable innovation. And like Gordon just said, it enables innovation means coming up with something new. So let's take a look at this. What do these companies have in common? Now you probably don't, well, do you guys know all these companies? Well, you probably notice a few here. What do these companies have in common? Well, these are design-led companies that understand the value of design. The Design Management Institute created a design value index and compared these companies with the rest of the companies in the stock market and found that design-centric companies outperformed the S&P 500 by 211%. Now, can investing on design generate greater innovation impact? Well, it can increase the range of product and services for the company. It can improve the quality of products or services. It can also open new markets or increase your market share. It can improve production flexibility. It can reduce unit labor costs and also reduce materials and energy use. So what about innovation? Let's look at this word innovation. What does the word innovation mean to you? Can you just let me know what you think innovation means? Let me share with you what I have. Okay. So you probably recognize this guy, huh? This is the previous president of the United States. Now, innovation is the creation of something that improves the way we live our lives, according to Barack Obama. I also found this very interesting definition of innovation from the government of New Zealand. Now, innovation is the creation, development, and implementation of a new product, process, or service with the aim of improving efficiency, effectiveness, or competitive advantage. Now, again, I looked in the dictionary, and innovation is defined as the introduction of something new. Okay, looks like Cho Key said something that needs to be created. Okay, all right. So, but innovation is the process of translating an idea or an invention into a product or service that creates value or for which customers will pay. Now let's take a look at some examples of innovation. Okay, I want to share with you some examples. Anybody know who this guy is? Well, that's the late Steve Jobs. Now, when he introduced the Apple iPhone, it was a breakthrough innovation. No one has ever seen anything like it. In fact, I'm pretty sure that you're using a phone right now that was based on this. Okay? Anybody know who this guy is? It's Dyson. Now, Dyson is an engineer and an inventor that actually created the first bagless vacuum cleaner. You know, it's one of the most admired companies in the world. Anyone played this game before? Well, Nintendo's innovative Wii game console changed the way we play games, right? And you probably used this service before, Uber. Changed the way we look at transportation, okay? Now, I'm sure a lot of you like to eat hot pot, right? Maybe not recently, but I'm a big hot pot lover. Hai Di Lao. Now, this is a chain in China. There used to be 3 restaurants in Hong Kong. I mean, the hot pot, I think it's not like the best tasting hot pot, but they revolutionized service, their service innovation, changed the way we looked at how restaurants are managed. And some of you may have been to Singapore, and you'll find that Singapore is one of the most innovative cities in the world. Okay, so these are some of the examples. Now, innovation happens at the intersection of business, which is about viability, and design, which creates desirability, and technology is about feasibility, whether it's possible. Okay, so let's get to design management. Okay, I'm going to skip this part. So let me start with a definition of design management. Now, design management encompasses the ongoing processes, business decisions, and strategies that enable innovation and create effectively designed products, services, communications, environments, and brands that enhance our quality of life and provide organizational success. Now, this is a definition provided by the Design Management Institute, and I've highlighted some of the key words. Design management enables innovation. Traditionally, we think of people that manage design. What they do is they coordinate the activities of people like designers, product developers, marketers, and so on, okay, towards a common objective. But design management works to support design within a business. This business and its objectives and the business's interface with the market it operates in. Design management is about addressing business challenges through design and developing processes and methods that it can integrate design into the core competency of the business. I want to stress that design management doesn't relate to a single design discipline. And the exact responsibilities attached to a design manager will depend on a number of things. The organization of business that you work for, the size of the organization, the industry they work in, the current market position, and the perceived importance of design to the business. Now, there are different areas of design management that includes research, business strategy, engineering, innovation, and service design. All of this encompassed by design thinking. So what I want to say is basically design management is the business of design. Okay. Now, all of you may have had a chance to look at our website on the new program. I'm not going to go over the sections here. I want to just quickly explain for those of you that may not know, we are a part of Hong Kong Polytechnic University, College of Professional and Continuing Education. We focus on self-finance education. Okay. Now there's two schools under CPCE, which is HKCC and SPEED. Now, SPEED offers articulation, or what we call top degree programs. So this new program is under the Division of Business and Hospitality Management, and also under the Bachelor of Honors degree within the business scheme. Now, within the business scheme, there's 7 different programs. And Innovation and Design Management is the newest program. This program is the first undergraduate design management degree in Hong Kong. I mean, there's a lot of other courses. Some are master's programs, some are more design related, some are certificates and so on. But so we are the first degree program. This program combines business and design, tailored for business students aspiring for a management role in the creative industry. Students will learn to apply design management skills for the development of innovative products and services. We also take an interdisciplinary approach to the selection of courses that you could take. In addition to design management and design thinking classes, you will take classes from international business, finance, human resource, marketing, and design. So it's important that you understand how a business works. Currently, we're offering a part-time program. The full-time program will be launched next year. The basic requirement is that you have at least an associate degree or a high diploma. We can also accept mature students with substantial work experience and hopefully managerial experience. An interview and written tests may be required to test your English proficiency. Okay, so the next thing is Q&A. My colleague Eileen will also join me to answer your questions. Now, let's see, I have actually, okay, so ask to unmute. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Now, you can either send me a chat or just love to hear your voice. Any questions? Actually, sorry, Eileen, did you want to say anything before we start the Q&A?
Okay, hello everyone. So thank you for attending this online Zoom meeting. And I think Dr. Chris Yin already has a wonderful speech for you for the design management. Actually, I'm Eileen Feng. You can call me Eileen. I'm the program leader, also we say award leader for BA in business. We call it general business. So general business and design management are the two programs that we offered for part-time students. Actually, for full-time students, we totally have 7 programs. Just now you have already seen in the PowerPoint. And for part-time students, we have 2 programs. One is general business. The other is the new and the only good design management program. So if you have any questions related with the new program and also our general business program, just feel free to ask us. For the general business program, we have offered for more than 11 years in Hong Kong, and it's the first top-up degree that locally accredited, because we are a PolyU degree. Maybe if you have some questions about this degree, is that from PolyU Speed? Actually, no, it's from PolyU. Only PolyU have the right to have this degree. So this is the thing I want to mention. Okay, so if you have any questions, Chris and I are more than willing to answer. Okay, thank you, Chris.
Thank you. So any questions from the attendees today? Yes. Any questions? Okay, yes. Eileen, yes. We have a question. Does this course have QF5 level?
Yes, yes. We are a degree program. It's a QF5 level. Yes, definitely.
Okay, Gordon, thank you for the question.
Yes,
anyone else?
PolyU degree.
Yes, anyone else? Oh, okay, so Kong Kong has a question. Can it be studied part-time? Well, yeah, again, maybe I didn't stress this. This is a part-time program at the moment. We will offer a full-time program maybe next year. So currently it is a part-time only program. Okay. If there aren't any more questions, and if you're shy, okay, so you probably have this information already, but again, you can always contact me directly by email or phone number. My phone number is 37460094. You can call me anytime if you have any questions, and you can also email me. You can see the you can see my email here on the screen. Okay. Well, there's an apply link for the program as well. Okay. Any questions I can ask? Oh, okay. We have another one. Do I need any access to design software or tools? Yes. Again, I think in my earlier presentation, this is not a design program. This is a business program. You probably need to use Microsoft Word, but you probably would not need to use any design-related software. Okay, let me explain that a little bit more. I think when I say this is a business program, but we're also going to teach you design, but not in the sense of designing a logo or brochure, right? What we want to teach you is how to think like a designer in order to solve business problems. And potentially you could be working with designers, but we want you to think like a designer. That's basically what design thinking is. Okay? All right. Any other questions? Okay, so I guess if we don't have any questions, yes, please contact me whenever you, if you have any questions. You can, again, call me my number or my email. Okay, thank you for joining today, and yes, we're here for you. Let us know if you have any questions. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. You can also go to our website to find the detailed information. If you have friends who they want to have full-time degree in other areas, they are also welcome to visit our website or contact us, or even contact Chris. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.